Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy here. This is a special Stay Home 2020 message. I've been trying to figure out how to say it best. So here we go. United we cack, divided we don't. If you want to stay alive, stay your ass home. Remember, rich people want you to die. Whoa. And don't look for business to be opening back up in a big damn hurry. Yeah. Great, huh? They're talking about there's going to be a second wave if we open up too soon. We're not even done with the first wave, and already politicians want to open up. Billionaires and large corporations aren't making money at the moment. Think real hard. You need all damn poor people to buy your shit. Even the ones that aren't making your shit, they gotta buy your shit. If you're gonna make any money, you need each and every one of them poor people. Mr. Billionaire. Mr. Corporate CEO with your golden parachute. Get stoned and chase your secretary around the desk all day, and you want $100 million a quarter? Why don't you try earning this, shithead? Anyway, stay home. Avoid people. Unless you want to die. It's your choice. Me? I'm staying home because I'm not in a hurry to die.